Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about a very important feature known as JOG in PTC Creo Parametric. This is very helpful when, let's say, you are working in a drawing that looks very clumsy like this one. So here you can see in certain cases the space we have is pretty low. For example, here this particular dimension have a very low space of writing this value. So what we can do in that case, we can utilize the feature known as JOG. So in order to access this particular feature, you need to be in Annotate tab and then need to click on JOG. Now we need to select the dimension where we would like to create JOG. Now what I will do is I will click here on this dimension line, and then after clicking on it, you will see this kind of preview coming in. So what I'm trying to do here is I am trying to modify the dimension line, okay? So I have not pressed any button, so just it is showing me preview after pressing left mouse button. And now again I need to make another left mouse button click, and there we go. Now I can press middle mouse button to come out of that command, then another middle mouse button so that I will be out of this jog tool. Now here you can see I have ample of space to maneuver this value inside this area. And then here you can see we have modified this dimension, making it look more clean. So in this way guys, you can utilize this jog feature inside PTC Creo Parametric. I hope you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Engineering Pritam to see videos related to more such engineering topics, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.